Hello, my name is Gavin, and in this brief sync episode, I'll show you real quickly on how to create a node inside Davinci Resolve's Fusion. To do this, it's very simple and I'll show you real quickly. So when you're over here on the little Fusion panel, you just want to do Shift and Space. It'll open up this little dialog select toolbox. You can type anything you want, and I want background. So I'll just add a background right here. I'll make it whatever color I want. We'll just put green, and then there you go. That's how you create a node inside Fusion. If you like this episode of Brief Sync, please like, comment, subscribe. I'd love to hear feedback on this episode, as well as suggestions for future content. Besides that, continue learning and have a nice day.